Okay. This is a question which came in CAT 2017. Let's see what the question says. A man leaves his home and walks at a speed of 12 kilometers per hour, reaching the railway station 10 minutes after the train had departed. If instead he had walked at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour, he would have reached the station 10 minutes before the train had departed. The distance in kilometer from his home to railway station is how much? Right? So suppose the train leaves at 9. Okay. In the first case, he reached at 9:10. The second case, he reached at 8:50, which means in the second case, he saved 20 minutes versus the first case. And that is where we need to solve this question. Okay. So you have speed, time, okay, at 12 kilometers per hour and 15 kilometers per hour. If he takes t minutes, the speed has become 5 by 4. 15 is 5 by 4 times 12. Speed and time are inversely related, so this should become 4 by 5t. How much is the time saved? Time saved is 1/5 t, which is 20 minutes. So t should be 60 minutes. T should be 100 minutes. Now back substitute this here. At 12 kilometers per hour, if you walk for 100 minutes, this will be the distance, right? That's 20 kilometers. You can also verify using the second one. 4/5 of 100 is 80. 15 into 80 will also give you the same number. This is 5 to 4. 5 into 4 is also 20. Right? Irrespective of how you do it, use proportionality to solve this. Becomes pretty straightforward. Okay, so that finishes our question.